Good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So those of you that are yet to subscribe and you've not done that, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also guys, if you are yet to follow the Telegram channel, make sure you follow. You'll find a link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now let's zoom it out to understand what our Swiss franc JPY will be doing for the week. Let's start with our trend on the Swiss franc JPY. This is our high. Here is our higher low. This is also our higher high. Here is the higher low. This is also our higher high that took out this previous high. Here is the higher low. This is also the higher high that took out this previous high. Here is the higher low. Now we've gotten our higher high on Swiss franc JPY. So if you have been following this channel consistently, we have been predicting that markets will give us a bullish move every single day. Since last week, we have been predicting a bullish move. We predicted the bullish move on Monday. We predicted that bullish move on Tuesday. We predicted it on Wednesday and Friday, right? So you can see it. Market has been opening and closing bullish. I think it did it for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So for good 10 days straight, Swiss franc JPY gave us a clean bullish move. Now we've gotten this high. Our next movement should be an higher low. So we should be expecting a pullback on our Swiss franc JPY anytime soon. So be careful for taking the buy. So possibly we should expect this move back. Again, another movement is what you should be expecting on the forward time frame. Forward time frame, wait for the pullback, then you can open for the buy for the week and continue the movement to the